Dinner stress got you down. Introducing the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1. Smart thermometer ensures perfect results every time. Dual zone technology lets you cook 2 foods at once. Get meals ready up to 30% faster. Discover the Ninja Foodi and simplify dinner today. Tired of kitchen chaos? Meet the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 air fryer. Get perfect results and cook 2 foods at once with ease. Enjoy healthy meals up to 30% faster than traditional cooking. It has 10 amazing functions to simplify your life. Starting at $249.99, now only $129.99. Limited time flash deal. Don't miss out. Click the link now and transform your cooking today. Tired of soggy fries and messy kitchens? Introducing the Crux X Marshmallow Air Fryer. Turbo Crisp Tech, perfectly crispy food. Always cook healthier meals with up to 75% less fat. Large 8-quart capacity feeds the whole family. Dishwasher safe and includes a silicone liner. Flash deal 45% off. Just $55.60. Get the Crux X Marshmallow Air Fryer today. Tired of dull dinners and messy kitchens? Introducing the Crux X Marshmallow Air Fryer. Turbo Crisp Tech gives perfect crisp, less fat. Family-sized, easy to clean. Feeds 6 to 8. Get yours today and revolutionize your meals. Tired of kitchen chaos? Meet the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. Get crispy, fried food with up to 95% less oil. It's a 6-in-1 air fry. Roast, broil, bake, reheat, dehydrate. Odor erase tech and a clear cook window make cooking easy. Family-sized, dishwasher safe, and super easy controls. Get yours today. Save with a flash deal. 42% off. Click the link and transform your cooking. Tired of cooking smells and endless cleanup? Introducing the Instant Pot Vortex Plus Air Fryer. Get crispy food with up to 95% less oil. Cook 6 ways with one versatile appliance. Odor erase tech eliminates cooking smells. Clear cook window lets you see without opening. Limited time, get 42% off the Vortex Plus. That's a flash deal. Don't miss it. Click now and upgrade your kitchen. Tired of kitchen chaos? Dinner time just got easier. Introducing the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer. Cook 2 foods, 2 ways. Finish at the same time. Air fry with up to 75% less fat. 8-quart capacity for family meals. 6 cooking functions and dishwasher safe. Upgrade your kitchen. Get yours today. Flash deal. 40% off from $199.99. Now $199.99. Get the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer now. Dinner dilemmas got you down. Meet the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer. Cook 2 dishes simultaneously with its dual baskets. Air fry your favorites with up to 75% less fat. Enjoy 6 cooking functions in 1 convenient appliance. Get yours for only $119.99, a massive 40% off. Hurry! This flash deal ends soon. Click now to revolutionize your mealtimes with the Ninja Foodi. Tired of dry chicken and overcooked dinners? Introducing the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. Built-in wireless thermometer. Cooks food perfectly, every time. Eliminates all guesswork. 8 QTE capacity. Smart whole chicken mode. Easier meals. Dishwasher safe. PFOA free. Control everything from your phone? Get restaurant quality results at home. Get yours today. Tired of kitchen fails? Say hello to the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. Cook perfectly with the built-in wireless meat thermometer. Enjoy family-sized meals and easy cleanup. Control it all right from your phone. Flash deal, get 40% off the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. That's down from $299 to only $179. This deal won't last. Click now and revolutionize your cooking. Tired of long cooking times and greasy food? Introducing the Chefman Air Fryer. Get crispy, delicious results with minimal oil. Digital touchscreen for easy one-touch meals. Exclusive high-fry tech for extra crispy finish. Enjoy healthier meals, faster and easier. Get 40% off the Chefman Air Fryer now. Upgrade your kitchen today. Tired of waiting for dinner and unhealthy food? Introducing the Chefman 4 QT Air Fryer. Get crispy food with little to no oil. High-fry tech ensures extra crunch. Convenient touchscreen with presets. 40% off for a limited time. Just $59.99, down from $99.99. Enjoy fast, easy, and healthy meals. Flash deal ends soon. Click the link now and revolutionize cooking.